Anthony Fasano here from Pass the PE Exam. In this episode, we'll be addressing a question from one of our listeners about what to do when you don't have enough references for your professional engineering license, which is important as you're applying for the PE exam. It's a common dilemma, and we've got the answer that you're looking for. This Pass the PE Exam video is brought to you by PPI, a leader in engineering exam prep for the FE and PE exams since 1975.
PPI provides expert prep courses and study resources designed to help you pass the PE exam the first time. PPI's live online courses include hours of lectures, problem-solving demonstrations, exam strategy sessions, office hours, and a passing guarantee. When you take a live online course, PPI guarantees you will pass, or you can take the on-demand course for free. With study guides, practice exams, and more, the PPI Learning Hub offers digital practice and review that you can take with you anywhere you have a device so that you can prepare during the times most convenient for you. Check out PPI today at ppi2pass.com to see all the options available for PE exam prep. Let's dive in.
Our listener asked, I don't have 3 references for my PE certification, but I'm determined to take the PE exam because it's a challenging journey and a tremendous learning opportunity. I'm wondering if, after some years, once I get a PE reference, can I still get my license with the reference, or do I have to retake the exam? In other words, how long is the PE exam passing valid? Great question, and thank you for reaching out. First, let's address the length of the validity of your PE exam once you pass. When you pass your PE exam, it's typically valid for 4 years from the date you pass the exam. This means you have a 4-year window to apply for your PE license using that exam result. However, there's a bit of flexibility depending on the state you're in. Some states allow you to extend your PE exam passing validity for an additional 2 years under very specific conditions, such as completing continuing education courses, for example. Now, keep in mind that these requirements vary from state to state, so it's crucial to check with your state board of engineering for precise information. Now, back to your situation with the missing references. If you don't have the required 3 references for your PE certification, you essentially have 2 options. Option 1, you can take the PE exam now and apply for a PE license once you gather the 3 necessary references. As mentioned earlier, your PE exam passing is valid for up to 4 years or more, with extensions in some states, giving you ample time to secure those references. Option 2, you can wait until you have your 3 references before taking the PE exam. This is the safer route as it eliminates concerns about your exam passing validity expiring before you can apply for your license. The choice between these options depends on your personal circumstance and goals. Some employers may hire you as an engineering training or EIT without a PE license, allowing you to gain experience while working towards your PE. You can also start accumulating the required PE experience while waiting to apply for your license, saving you time in the long run. Additionally, it's essential to seek out the right references. Local chapters of professional organizations like the American Society of Civil Engineers, ASCE, or the National Society of Professional Engineers, NSPE, can be excellent places to find peers willing to vouch for you. Now, for some state-specific information, just to kind of keep you up to date on that, requirements can vary widely by state, and some, like California for example, might demand that your references be licensed in that specific jurisdiction. So just be sure to verify the requirements set by your state board. Lastly, it's important to remember that taking the PE exam is a significant step in your engineering career. It signifies that your state acknowledges your knowledge and experience, and they trust you with the responsibility to oversee your design. Keep in mind that you're allowed to take the PE exam only once per testing window, which is quarterly, and a maximum of 3 times in a calendar year. Whether you decide to take the PE exam now or wait until you have those required references is a personal choice. Take into account your unique circumstances and aspirations when you're trying to make this very important decision. We hope that we've provided you with some valuable insights into how to handle the challenge of lacking these references for your PE license. Remember, the path to becoming a professional engineer can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. I hope you found this week's video helpful. In upcoming videos, I will solve some more PE exam practice problems and answer other questions from our subscribers. Pass the PE exam videos will be published weekly, so be sure that you click that subscribe button so you don't miss something that could make a substantial difference in this all-important exam that really can drive your career success. And please, ask questions and leave comments below this video, and I will respond to you. Let me know if there's a specific topic that you'd like me to cover, or maybe there's a problem that you need solved. Pass the PE exam, we'll have you covered. I'll see you next week on Pass the PE Exam.